अस्सलाम वालेकुम and welcome to another vlog from India, Mumbai. आज का vlog थोड़ा excitement भरा होने वाला है because I am really happy to announce that being a Pakistani, I'm getting this privilege to go and witness the Indian Air Force aerial display, which is going to be at the Marine Drive. And in this air display, it is going to be Suriyakiran aerobatic team who's going to display the aerial display here, and the sarang helicopter display team as well. I am very excited. Being a Pakistani, obviously this is something that you don't get to see every day. So I'm going, you come along with me and enjoy this mesmerizing, spectacular air display. Let's go. लोग भी लगे हुए हैं देखने. रश है. दिस इज़ मरीन ड्राइव जहाँ मैं आई हूँ और अभी लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. सरफराज को पार्किंग नहीं मिली है. They made a peace sign. यहाँ आके और इंडियन एयर शो देखना एयर फोर्स का इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग इटसेल्फ. और सैफू भी आ गया. फाइनली सैफू को पार्किंग मिल गई है. कैमरा, so I'm not on my own now. Oh yeah, look. आई विश कि मुझे इधर जाने मिलता, पर इधर जगह ही नहीं है. जाएंगे कैसे? सैफिया This is a peace sign by Indian Air Force.
गाड़ी का भी ध्यान रखना है ना. They are making hard.
आज इनका मेन जो छत्रपति शिवाजी एयरपोर्ट है वो भी बंद है. So there is no flight landing or taking off between 12 and 1. We all were delayed today. Tomorrow भी और उसके बाद भी 12, 13 और 14 जनवरी. Are we done? I think that's it. We're done. I think it's done. It was lovely seeing this air show, especially in India. So that's it. We're leaving now. Alhamdulillah, we have enjoyed. अच्छा show था, मज़ा आया. But that's it. I think अभी ख़त्म हो गया and we're leaving now. Me and Saf. मज़ा आया इंडिया में आके इंडियन एयरफोर्स का एयर शो देखने का. So that's it really. I hope you enjoyed it as well. And that's it for today. Inshallah I'll see you tomorrow. कल हम जा रहे हैं एक और नई जगह पर. So stay with us. It's a goodbye from me and Saf. Allah Hafiz.